Question 9. The sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the distinct non-zero digits A, B, C and D with each digit appearing exactly once in every number is 153310 plus n. Where n is a single digit natural number, then the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus n is. So what we have here is we have 4-digit number where the digits are A, B, C, D, right? And different permutations of these 4 digits are being taken and their sum has been taken. Once the sum has been taken, the sum is coming out to be this. So total different permutations, total number of numbers that can be formed with these 4 digits is going to be 4 factorial, right, which is 24. And if you see, if you add the ones digit, total number of how many numbers are there? 24 numbers are there, and we have how many digits? We have 4 digits. So each digit is going to, in the entire sum, each digit is going to appear 24 divided by 4, 24 divided by 4, which is equal to 6. So each digit is going to appear 6 times, right? So the sum, we can say the entire sum, we can say it as A plus B plus C plus D into 6 into 1111, because ones place plus tens place plus hundreds place plus thousands place. Okay, so thousand, hundreds and tens and ones, everything we have to add. This sum is turning out to be 153310 plus n. Okay, now what we do is that the sum over here, now this sum is entirely divisible by 1111, right? This entire sum is this 153310, when divided by 1111, we have to get a remainder, right? So let's see, because it is not divisible. This entire thing is divisible by 1111, but this is not divisible. So let's see what's the remainder that we get when we divide it. So 153310 1111. So it's 1 4 2 2 1 3 0, and if you take 8, so what we get minus 8 as a remainder. Okay, so if we add 8 to it, okay, if we add 8 to it, the number will be exactly divisible by 1111. So that means n, the value of n is going to be the value of n is going to be 8, because if we add 8 to it, it is exactly divisible by 1111. So the value of n is equal to 8. Okay, so we got the value of n. But what we are supposed to find? We have to find the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus n. So can we find the value of A plus B plus C plus D with this? So A plus B plus C plus D into 6 into 1111 is equal to 153318. Okay, so this, when I divide, it's going to be 138, and 6 when I do, 6 2s are 6 3s are. So I can say A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 23. Then A plus B plus C plus D plus n is equal to 23 plus 8, which is equal to 31. That is the answer.